In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Replit for Python practice. We'll start right from the homepage and finish with your project published, so you can focus on learning and iterating with confidence. First, open Replit's homepage. From the dashboard, begin creating a new project. You'll see a template picker with categories like Web App, Mobile App, Data App, 3D Game, Agents and Automations, and a General section. Take a moment to click through these categories so you know what each one offers. This quick tour helps you understand the kinds of projects Replit can scaffold for you, and where Python fits into different use cases. Once you've had a look around, switch to the General category and choose Web App. This is a solid, straightforward environment for Python practice because it gives you a basic structure that's easy to extend into small exercises or full mini-projects. After selecting it, click into the project name field and type a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later and keep your workspace organized. With the project created, open the Build section. This area is your hub for getting work done. You'll see guidance like Ask Questions, Plan Your Work. Open that, then open Plan. Treat this as a lightweight notebook inside your project. Outline what you want to practice today, list any libraries you might use, and jot down test cases or sample inputs you care about. When you're ready, move on to Make, Test, Iterate. This is a reminder to write small pieces of code, run them, and refine quickly. Keeping your loops short makes it much easier to spot mistakes and build momentum. When your practice app is in a good spot and you're ready to share or save a checkpoint, open the Publish panel. You'll be prompted to review any highlighted fields, such as the project title or description, so your app is understandable to others and to future you. Click Publish your app to proceed. If you see an option to claim a free domain credit, you can open it to learn more and apply it to your project. It's a helpful way to give your practice app a memorable URL, but it's entirely optional for learning. After reviewing, return to the Publish flow and click Publish. Replit will package your project and make it accessible via a shareable link. That's it. You've navigated the templates, chosen a Python-friendly setup, used the built-in planning cues, and published your app. You're now set up to practice effectively, iterate quickly, and share your progress whenever you're ready.